Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can change the recycle bin icon. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any preferred browser on your PC and search for Recycle Bin Themes GitHub. After that, open the first website that appears and you will be redirected to the official GitHub website. Here, scroll down a little bit, expand the icon you would like to download, and then click on the View icon embed. Now, select the first icon and download it onto your PC. Once you are done with that, close the browser and open the Settings application on your computer. Inside the settings, search for desktop icons in the search bar at the top and select the first suggestion that appears. Now, click on the desktop icon feature and select Recycle Bin from the menu. Next, click on the Change Icon button and then browse for the icon we just downloaded. Simply select it and save the settings. You will then see the new icon appear on your recycle bin. So that's basically how you can change the recycle bin icon. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.